Pasukin yung ano, legislature.
So maraming pwedeng mangyari, no, on the road to 2028. Pero yun lang, you can interpret it. 2028 is not the right moment for Sara to be president. If you are quick kung mataas ang IQ nyo, maiintindihan yung ibig sabihin nun. If you know lateral thinking, you will understand what it means.
Ayun.
Kailangan mo nang lipulin ang lahat ng masasama.
Bago tayo makapagsimula ng payapa.
Bago ka magsimula. Oo. Ano yan meron kang readiness na halimbawa si Sara. When did Sara become a mayor? Sara became a mayor nung na-establish na yung Davao.